sitting over there waiting for the ship to come. They sell the house, they sell the land, they sell everything, they sell the wife, everything. After that, they pay inside the hatch. You know the boat hatch? Below. Cram. All come. Rough voyage, rough sea voyage. You come India, 8 hours, 4 hours, 10 hours. But from India, from the China, they come a sailboat, 30 days, 35 days, 40 days. Rough voyage, tuberculosis, cholera, malaria, spreading. Blood. It will bring you to the deck, they will kick you into the sea because you're spreading very fast. You can understand?
Yeah.
So they come, and then when they arrive here, the first thing they do, they take 2 stones right here. They pray to the stone for the arrival here. Koloae, Malay word, Singapore word, means slum, big slum, street English word, big slum right here. So when they come, they pray to the stone. Subsequently, the Chinese, they combine the money, they put in the money, they build this temple called Mazu. It will not be demolished forever. Next time your grandchildren, anybody come, forever. A deity sitting inside is called Goddess of the Sea, like this, looking at the sea. On the right, like this, discerning the people praying on the sea. On the left, looking like this, people praying on the sea. So today, they don't pray to the stone, they pray to Mazu. So later, everybody inside, no need to take out shoes. Okay? Photograph everywhere. 3 joystick, Hindu. 3 joystick, my good friend, Hindu. After you follow me, 3 joystick. First, this direction, Om. Creator. 2, Earth. 3, turn back, Mazu prayer. After that, 15 minutes, hello, 15 minutes. Okay? Back to the bus. Don't understand? Ask them. 15 minutes, back to the bus. Everywhere.